In this tutorial, I will show you how you can use the ClickUp calendar. Now, first of all, if you have not yet created your ClickUp account, simply click on the link down in the description to get started with their forever free plan where you don't even need to add any payment details. So click on get started, it's free, and then after you create your account, which will only take about a minute, you will get right here. Now, first of all, from the home screen, what you can do is add calendar integrations. So if you want to integrate with Apple Calendar, Google Calendar, or Outlook Calendar, I recommend doing that first. So from the home screen, simply click on Add Calendar Integrations right there. Now, after you do that, simply go to a project. You can also create a new one if it's just for your personal use, but then here you will have a calendar view at the top. Now, this right here is a theme space, so I'm just going to create one for myself so that I can actually have a personal calendar. So I'll just create a space right here. Now from here, click on the plus right there to create a new view and select the calendar. Now here you will see your calendar, and now if you have connected your Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, or whichever calendar, then you can actually see the tasks from within that calendar right here. So if you haven't done that yet, just click on customize, then here click on sync with calendar, and again select the calendar you want to sync. So then if you add a task in here, then it will show up in your Google Calendar, and that also works the other way around. So to use the ClickUp calendar is pretty simple. For example, if I want to add something on Monday, just click on this little plus, and then you can create a task. Now you can add a priority to this task. You can choose the start and the end date and a duration for this task. For example, 2 hours. And let's say this is record video. Then I can click save, and now on Monday right here I can see I have a task that says record video. Now you can also really easily switch between months right here so that you can put in a task a pretty long time from now. Now what's easier is to just click on add task in the top right, and then from here you can write it with AI and a description, due date, priority. You can also add documents to this. You can add reminders, a chat, whiteboard, and a dashboard. Now, if you want to have someone else on here, then you can click on the icon right here, and then you can just click on that, and then here search or enter an email. And if there are other people in this space, you can then also assign a task to them or put something in their calendar. Then here on the template section, you can also create a template if you have a task that comes up quite a lot. And if you want to create a recurring task, just click on the date icon right here and then click on set recurring. Now let's say this is daily recurring but skip weekends, and create a new task. Then I can just click save and I give it a name, so just name it 1, and I click create task. And now every single day I will have that task, although I didn't add a duration to it, so therefore it doesn't really show up right here. But that is how you can actually use the ClickUp calendar. Now there are some more features that you can go over here, so you can also click on this drop down to add a milestone, to pin a template, or you can browse templates right here. So social media content plan, advertisement, you can just search for tasks right there. But it's a pretty simple and straightforward calendar to use. Now again, if you want to get started with ClickUp for free forever without needing any payment details, simply click on the link down in the description to get started. If this ClickUp calendar tutorial was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.